Hey guys, so today I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. You already know what time it is. Let's get it right on in because I got mad stuff in my battery mode. Let's do it. You already know how much I love these glass beaded bracelets. You see what I'm saying? Look at that sparkle. Come on. Come on. To add some more. I have them on right now. Sparkly. I have them on right now. You see how sparkly they are? I'm gonna put some more on. I love these things, so pretty. Okay, so I just added 3 more. Look at, look how I'm shining, dog. I'm shining. Yes. I saw that they had the Amope PEDI Perfect refill, so I picked up some. If you looked at my other Dollar Tree video, you see that I picked this up in the arts and crafts section. This is for kids, but I was like, I could use this if I'm beating my face and I don't want to get any spillage on my shirt. I don't want to get any makeup mishaps on my shirt. So I just thought this was a cool idea. It comes in the best favorite color in the world, which is pink, and it has like a painting canvas right here, so it can symbolize you beating that face, girl. Yeah. So I picked up this. I picked up a few of those. A few of those. I picked up the silicone scrubber brights. In my opinion, it's not worth your dollar. I wouldn't recommend it. I tried it when I was cleansing my brushes. It totally sucks when you're trying to use this to scrub your skin, to suds up any soap. It does not work well for that at all. And it's okay to cleanse your makeup brushes. It's not worth the dollar in my opinion. I have my Dollar Tree mini reviews on Instagram, and I spoke about it on there. It's just not worth the dollar. Like, there's better things that I tried for $1 that assisted with me cleaning my makeup brushes, and it's just not worth the dollar to me. So don't get this. I picked up 2 boxes of the chamomile tea bags. It's all natural. Picked up 2 bags of the Snyder's 8-count value pack pretzels. I got 2 bags of those. These are how small they are. They're very small. They're smaller than my hand, and my hands are mad small. This is something that you just put in your you throw in your purse and go. I'm about to eat some right now. I'm hungry. I am hungry. Love them so much. They're so cute. I have more bracelets. I love these things because look how sparkly they are. Like, seriously in life, I'm telling you, they're so beautiful. This is like one of my favorite buys in the Dollar Tree ever. Absolutely, one of my favorite buys. Picked up some more clamps. Whenever I'm doing like a DIY project or something like that. Something like that. Or something like that. I see that they have these all natural fruit crisps. What I was gonna say about these, I tried the strawberry ones. They're pretty good. They have a different taste, but I kind of like them. They're different. So I wanted to go ahead and try the apple ones. So let's try these things right now. Okay. See what they smelling like. Ooh, that smells really nice. It smells good. It's different because, you know, they are freeze dried, and I still feel like I'm not really used to it, but I think I like them. That bite was good. Hold on. Yeah. And it's so beneficial. Bree, why? How? I got you right now. Peanut free, tree nut free, gluten free, soy free, dairy free. Now, it does say free, mad times on the back on this. But anyway, non-GMO, vegan, and it's kosher. These are good. I'm gonna get some more of these. The whole entire bag is 60 calories, 100% fruit, no preservatives. It's kosher like I already stated. This is, alright, so this is the equivalent of 1.5 cups of fresh fruit. I think this would be really good to consume on the daily, especially if you're kind of like, you know, lacking in your consumption of fruits. You don't get a lot in the bag though, like, come on. Y'all got me banned. But for $1, I mean, all of the beneficial things, I say why not? Why not, girl? They're good. Oh yeah. The texture is kind of different because it's like, it's soft but kind of crunchy at the same time. Awesome. Good, 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 good. Recommend, highly recommend. I picked up more of these lamps, guys. I don't see a lot of people who hold them. I don't know what it is. Like, it's so weird. Ashley said that they had them at her store. I seen like one other hauler who hauled these. But I'm going to insert a clip of all of the ones that I seen at my store. And seriously, I went back 2 days later and they all were gone. These are totally worth over like $10. I don't know how much it would be worth because I never really had a desk lamp like that except when I was in college, and I can't really remember how much I paid for it. But guys, if you see these, right? If they pop up, I got you right now. Don't worry about it, don't worry. If you see these, don't just get 4. Like, get like, I'm telling you, they have 3 different light functions on here. Low, medium, high. The light is a white light, so if you needed to use it for your YouTube videos, you can to add additional lighting. I did a full in-depth video on my channel comparing this one to the other one. Bomb, I'm telling you. So every time I see them, I'll get a few of them. I'm not even gonna stunt you. Like, every time I see them, I'll pick up a few. So get your hands on these because they bomb, okay? They lit. No pun. Picked up a pack of the 40 count liners. Guys, these are awesome because you get 40, and if you need to double them up, that's what I do because they're, you know, they're kind of small. I like to double mine up, so I feel like for the price of $1, it's a great deal. I got 2 angled blush brushes by E.L.F. So I can't remember what I like them for, but that's also really good for liquid too. Don't sleep, please do not sleep. There's a particular function in which I like this for when I'm applying my makeup, and I can't really recall what it is. I think it kind of surprised me when I tried it with liquid because it's like, it's not like it's a kaboom. It's not like it's a kaboom. What is a kaboom? Like, Bree, shut up. It's not like it's a kabuki styled brush. So it kind of like shocked the kid. Like, but I'm trying to think. I don't know. But I like these for something. I do like them for contouring because I used that today actually to contour. Yep. So I got 2 of those. The texture is a little bit different, especially if you're not accustomed to freeze-dried fruits. But I like it. Like, it tastes good. It tastes healthy. I think little kids will like stuff like this too. It tastes like a chippy, but it's fruit. And you feel good eating it. Like, it feels good on the inside, you know? You know, you eat like a bag of chips. You finish the whole thing, you like, dang, yo, this joint's like almost 300 calories and I just consumed this whole bag. Like, you feel bad about your whole life. Especially if you're trying to lose weight. But these, you gonna feel good. You gonna be saying hi, good morning, everybody. You gonna be jogging. How you doing? No, how you doing? Good morning. Where you going today? So, good. I'm going back to get some more of those. Those are really good. You just don't get a lot. This is the Now and Later. I opened it already. Now and Later mystery mix. The strawberry kiwis are bomb. I like those. I think those might be my favorite. I can't really recall it because they have so many different flavors and each bag has like something different. But the strawberry kiwi ones are good. Picked up some pineapple tidbits by the brand Litty. I think they're okay. Maybe I need to put them in the refrigerator and they'll taste better because I'm that type of person, like, I like for my stuff to be cold. Or I like for my stuff to be really hot. I don't like that room temperature stuff. Like, no, either it's really cold or it's really hot, you dig? So, yeah, maybe I'll try to put it in the refrigerator. I think it's okay for right now. I don't know, maybe my opinion will change. I picked up these clips by SCUNCI. I think these will actually do really well with securing them wigs, especially like the curly ones, because you won't be able to tell. But these things will hold you, and it says all day hold. These things will definitely hold you. I don't know how you could get away with like wearing something like this with straight hair, but these will hold you. So I know I'll have to think of like some creative ways in which you can like do it for like straight hair. But it's true because it's so strong. Like, I'll show you. It's just really strong. It has that locking function, so once you lock it, it's not going anywhere. The hair's already locked. In order for the hair to move, you have to unlock it. So get your hands on those. So I picked up some hanging decors. Here's like a butterfly. Hair kits I tried one pack, and to me, I feel like the pliers was kind of trash. You get a lot of different things in here. You get disc bags, rubber bags, jump rings, a pair of pliers. I'm gonna open up another one just to see if the other pack that I used was a dud. But that was the primary reason why I got it for the pliers, because I just thought that for $1 you get all of this stuff and the pliers, so you could do like arts and craft projects. And with me, I like to do like jewelry, like beauty related stuff, like, you know what I mean, earrings, necklaces, things like that, rings. So I'm gonna open up another one to see. I gotta go back and get some more of these. We need to bang them. You just don't get a lot. Like, I'm telling you about that. I already finished it. These are good, man. Okay, so I think I might like this plier better. Wait, I really think I might like this plier better. Yeah, I think that one was a dud. Because it's opening the jump ring and then it's closing it back easily, I think. It's like I don't have to work as hard. Yeah, these ones are definitely way better than those ones. I'm throwing them shits in the trash. Oops, did I guess? Sorry. Sorry. My final judgment will be when I actually use them to make like a DIY project. Then I'll let you know. You did? Something you should not buy. Right, so these are the Keep Smiling phone cases, and it says, "You bake me crazy." And it's supposed to, not phone cases, excuse me, phone stands. Now, the thing about these phone stands that I do not like is that the slant, when it's standing your phone up, it doesn't, like, if you're standing up, let's say like you wanted to do like a fitness video or something like that, or you're dancing or something, just doing something where you're actually standing up. The way that it props and positions your phone, it catches everything but you. It's like, because it's such at a weird slant like that, it catches like the ceiling fan, like whatever on your ceiling. Like, I'm just like, bruh, like, are you gonna capture me though? Like, it captures everything but you. So to me, I'll give it a thumbs down. I also made a Dollar Tree mini review video about it on my IG, but it's not worth the money. Like, no. And I got these thinking that like maybe some people will want them, but I don't think it's worth your $1. It's not. In my opinion, it's not. Now, it would be so dope. I'm telling you, it would be so dope if it really stood your phone like all the way straight up and not at a slant. Because with it like that, it's like, I can't explain it, but it's like when it's at a slant like that, it's just getting the ceiling. I can't get over it. So it's not worth your $1, y'all. It's not. So these going bag. I'm not ashamed to say I be exchanging my stuff. Yes, God, I do. I really do. I gotta go quick. My battery's dying. I picked up some cookies. Love these. I picked up some lemon pepper tuna. I'm gonna try this with some crackers. Oh my God, no. Let me go fast. I was able to find the Amope in pink with the oil. Let me get a thumbnail popping real quick before my camera dies. So I was able to find this. And I was able to find this polish in orange. Oh my God, I'm so mad that my camera is dying. Like, seriously in life. My son only had 2 of these. And these are oh my God, I can't talk, I'm so scared. Electric nail care systems. And you could use them both on your feet and your hands. So people just saying that you could use it either on your hands or your feet. It's not true. You can use it on either or. There it goes. And I picked up mad packs of those cookies. Guys, I love you so much. I don't know, my camera's gonna die. I'm so sorry. I should have charged it. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. But still, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Bye. Hold on, my camera ain't died yet. So let me I want to try this lemon pepper with tuna with the crackers. That's why I bought them together, to see how they'll taste. I don't know. And I picked up mad of these cookies. They're so cute. And you could just pop them in your purse. It comes in a 3-pack, the famous Amos ones. I like to get these ones from the Dollar Tree that come like this because there's a lot of chocolate chips in each cookie. Because I noticed that certain bags, they only put like 1 chocolate chip per cookie. Like, no, y'all got me all the way bent. Like, add them chocolate chips. So, I like to get these from the Dollar Tree. Ever since I started seeing them, and I started seeing them like, probably like 2 weeks ago. I started, like, every time I go, I'll get them. But yes, that will conclude my video. I know I said bye before, but I love you again. And bye. Oh my God, I'm all over the place. Forgive me. Yeah, so that's all I have. Love you. See you in the next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll be going in on these hoes. Love you.